ang unang-unang stage comedy sa Pilipinas. Gumagamit ng facial expressions at ilang sound effects para mas maging nakakatawa ang mga banat. Sila ang Mama's Boys.
Hindi nanggaling bongga kadang silang Let the bass kick.
Nagulat ng buksan ng pinto. Sa lang ng mga tao ay bigyan na hinto. Buhok mo'y gusi, kalapat ay gusi. Sapat mo'y kapal ko'y pinanggaling kaya. Mama's Boys, pasok.
Check this out. An everlasting smile, 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 smile.
Sinira mo ang kanta. Binaboy mo. You'll never make it. You're nothing but a second rate. Trying hard. Copycat.
Check this out. You're not animal. Check this out.
Gusto nila ako. Talagang natuwa sila sa akin.
Mahaga sa
Thank you.
Bujoy! Bujoy, sandali, hindi pa tapos ang contest. Bujoy, great ka ba sa akin? Ha?
Akala ko ba walang iwanan sa ere? Iniwan mo ako eh!
Dumating naman ako ah.
Nandito nga ako oh. Nandito nga ako oh. Nag-promise ka sa akin na hindi ka malilate.
Sinundo ko pa si Mary Ann.
Nag-promise ka rin sa akin na hindi mo isasama yung Mary Ann yan.
Okay. Kaya ako sinama si Mary Ann kasi mag-una kami.
Maaari bang malaman ko kung pinapil mo nang sabihin, sana ay sabihin na ito. I love you, baby! You got me shining like the sun every day. You're my number one and there's no treasure that I want to use like you. And I smile when I see you play your love. You're my number one, my one and only try is to give you my love for you. I get the wrong I see you in the sunset that over me I see so good. Look at me now, shining like the sun as I do. You're my number one.
Sandali kong pinuputol ang sayo na ito para bigyang babala ang mga batang ito, mga mamas boys. Pasok!
Seryoso kami.
Huwag kayong maingay.
Once again, roll the renegade master. People damage, ill behaviors back. Once again, roll the renegade master. People damage, bow to the people's back. Once again, roll the renegade master. People damage, ill behaviors back. Once again, roll the renegade master. Bow to the people's back. Once again, roll the renegade master. People damage, ill behaviors back. Once again, roll the renegade master. Bow to the people's back. Once again, roll the renegade master. People damage, ill behaviors back. Once again, roll the renegade master. 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 Once again, roll the renegade ma Finished or not finished? Pass your papers. 10, 9, 8.
Seven lang ang sagot ko. Nag-aaral naman ako.
Ano sabi ng nanay?
Try and try until you succeed.
Finish or not? Para po sa mga haters, napabagsak na